Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle. Oh, there it is. So battery saver, it's on the second page. This is the default settings right here, so it should be on the second page on the top right corner. So once you find it, you can simply tap on it to enable it with whatever the default parameters of it are. And that's it. Now there's a couple additional things you can do apart from the toggle itself to preserve more battery. So number one would be dropping your max brightness down. It looks like the power saving mode doesn't actually do anything with the brightness. So dropping it halfway from like max will yield you several additional hours of battery life. Then additionally, you can turn off things like NFC if you don't use it or you don't need it at the moment. Things like mobile network or mobile data precisely, or Wi-Fi. Choose one of them and disable the one that you're not using. This will also save you battery. But yeah, now going back to the battery saver toggle, it does one thing in the background which isn't really specified right here. So mobile data and Wi-Fi will be disabled by battery saver when the device goes to sleep. So if you require any kind of updates from applications that would need a network connection, those applications won't be able to give you any kind of updates till they reconnect, because battery saver will virtually turn off any kind of network access to preserve battery when you're not using the device. Now it does reconnect automatically when you wake it up again. So the moment you basically interact with your device, it will reconnect and you will get all the missing notifications that you would normally get without the power saving mode. So anyway, also once you're done with the battery saver, you can tap on the toggle once more to make it go back to the normal mode. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.